Hello and welcome to IT Tips Day 7. Yesterday we looked at some keyboard shortcuts for cut, copy and paste. Today we're going to look at a couple more of the keyboard shortcuts, the ones for undo and redo. So I've started pulling together a PowerPoint presentation about dog walking at Clumber Park, and there's a picture on it. Suppose I'm doing some work and I accidentally, do something that I didn't want to do. Do I need to go back and find that picture again? No. All I need to do is undo my last action. So I can hold down the Control key and undo Z. So you can see that that's undone my last action. Suppose I wanted to redo that though. Maybe I undo it and then think, actually no, I do want to change my picture. So I can click on Control, hold down Control and click Y. So undo, Control Z, redo, Control Y. And you can do that as many times as you want. If you want to undo more than one action, you can. So let's say I add in some text. Let's add in a text box just here. We had a fun day out. Actually, I'll just move that over a bit. And I'm going to add in, let's add in a little icon. Oh yeah, Clumber Park. Oh, maybe I'll change the layout actually completely. So I've done quite a lot of actions there. So now I regret doing all those actions and I want to undo all of them. So I'm going to hold down Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Have I still got my text? Oh, I've still got my text. So I'm going to Control Z. Still got my text. Keep going. Control Z. So I can keep undoing until I've undone all the actions that I didn't want. There. And so now I'm back to where I was at the beginning. Hope that was useful for you. See you tomorrow.